Hi students, now again I have come in front of you to explain some in the graph paper lines drawn, then how you will find the area of the triangle or the area with the axes formed by the figure. Some students today ask, please you give me some support to find the area of the triangle formed with the line and axes. So now I am going to present in front of you. Please watch carefully and also don't forget to subscribe and like it. So please now see the graph paper I am going to explain. Now this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now if the line is this equation, you have drawn a line and its equation is 1, 2. So x is equal to 2 line you will draw, then the line will come like this. And other line suppose coming in this way. If you have drawn, it is coming like this. This is your line number 2. Now this length is 2, 1, 2. So this length is 2 and this length is 1, 2 and 2 point, suppose 2.2. This length is 2.2 and this length is 2. So you have to find the area of the triangle formed by line 2 and both axes. Area of the triangle find with both axes and line number 2. So this is 2, this is 2.2. So area is equal to half into this is base, or maybe this you can base suppose because it is a right angle triangle. So this is the base, then 2 into 2.2. So 2 1 ja 2. So 2.2 square units. Suppose another figure, if line is like this, one line is this and other line is like this. Now you have to find the area of the triangle with line 1 and line 2 with the x-axis. Now x-axis is this. So you have to find the length from this point to this point. This complete length is your base. So suppose 1, 2, 3 and 3.2. Suppose it is 3.2. This length is 3.2. This is the base. And this length is your 1 and 0.5. 1.5 suppose. Whatever the length you properly read. So height is 1.5 and base is 3.2. In that case, area is equal to half into base into height 1.5. So when you will cut this, so then it is 1.6. You multiply 1.5 into 1.6. So 16 5s are 80, 8, 16 1s are 16 and 8 24. Decimal after 2 points 240 square 2.40 square units. So this is the area. Now take another example. Suppose you are having x-axis and y-axis and line is here. So this is line how much? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, means y is equal to -2 because it is downward side. A line parallel to x-axis, the equation is y is equal to -2. This line, another line, suppose like this. Like this. Whatever. So this is line number 2. This is your line number 1. So now in this case, this line and this line, both line is forming a triangle with the y-axis is this. This. So you can put the name A, B, C. Now in this, again a right angle triangle you will get. So you can take base this and height this, or you can take this is the base and this is the height. So now here this length is 2 centimeter and this length is you count from here 1, 2, 3 and half, 3.5. Complete length. In the length, never see positive and negative, only you have to count the distance. So this is 2 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter, therefore area is equal to 2 into 3.5 and half also in the formula, half into base into height. So 2 cancel and it will come 3.5 square units. In this way, you will get the area of the triangle formed with the line, this line 1 and this line 2. So this 2 line and y-axis. Sometime the graph will come like this. Any line if you will cutting 1, 2 and third line like this. Then you have to find the area, so you find out this length and this is the height. This height and this base you just measure it, means you can count on this measurement. So it is half, this is 1.5 and this is 1 and 2. So 2 and 1.5, 3.5. This total length is 3.5 and this length is 1.5. So you can read on a graph paper. Height and base you know. Now the area is equal to half into this length is, suppose B is coming and height A is coming, half B into A. So in this way you will get the area. I think no confusion how to find the area of a triangle formed with the axes and with the line. Clear? So according to given condition, you find out which area of a triangle you have to find, and then in that you form a right angle triangle and find one side base and another side height which contain 90 degree. So right angle triangle will form, or you can find by the area half into base into height. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you all have understood.